Question number 3. Diagram A to D show 4 different graphs. In each case, the whole graph is shown and the scale on the two axes are the same. So place tick in the blocks in the table to indicate which description, if any, apply to each graph. There may be more than one tick in any row or column of the table. So we want to know whether it is a function or not. Then what we do is we use the vertical line test. Okay, so we use the vertical line test here. So vertical line test. Okay, so for the vertical line test, imagine we have a vertical straight line from behind go until in front. All along we touch one point only, then it is a function. If it is touch two, okay, it's touch two at the same time, so this is not a function. Okay, so B is not a function. And then this one, we have the vertical line go all along, touch one point only, then A, C, D all are function. Okay, so this one for sure no, and this one also no. Why? Because function. Since it is not function, so B can't be one-to-one function and can't be a function that is its own inverse and a function with no inverse. Then it is a one-to-one function, so we want to test whether it is one-to-one or not. Then this one we use horizontal line test. Okay, so we use horizontal line test. Okay, so for the horizontal line test, okay, we have a horizontal line. Okay, first we will have a horizontal line test. Okay, horizontal line test. So we have a horizontal line, and then go from below here. It touch two, then not one-to-one. With the condition it must be a function. So this one, so I go along, go up, touch one only. D here also go up, touch one only. Okay, so this two is one-to-one. C and D is one-to-one. And then just now this one is the function. So if you go from behind until in front, touch one point, then it is the function. And then go from below until up, touch one only, then it will be a one-to-one. So this one not to one. Okay, function. So it is a function here. Okay, this one no need to test. Why? Because it is not a function, so no need to test. So C and D here, we tick here. Function that is its own inverse. So I know that the inverse, okay, of a function is reflected in the y equal to x line. So inverse function is refraction of f in the line y equal to x. So and only one-to-one, only one-to-one function have inverse function. Okay, so since this one not a one-to-one function, this two not a one-to-one function, so this is not one-to-one, so these two no need to check anymore. Okay, so no inverse, wait, this one no inverse, no inverse will be this one. Okay, so only one-to-one function have inverse function, so this one will be here. Okay, no inverse, it is not one-to-one, so it have no inverse. And then the inverse function for this one, so we have a y equal x graph here, so this is the y equal to x graph here. Then the refraction also same. Okay, and then this one, okay, the refraction will be something like this. And this refraction is like this. So a function that is own, that it is own inverse, so this one is C. Okay, I make a mistake here. The inverse function for the cube is something like this. Okay, so the inverse function for cube will be something like this. Wait, oh, this one have to put negative here, negative, then this one have negative, so it will be something like this. So this refracted to this refracted to this. Yes. Okay, so this one will be here, and then vertical line touch on the vertical line touch 1 point. Okay, and then the horizontal line touch also touch 1 point. Okay.